guys, so this is a little vlog. I'm just documenting really what I've been feeding Didier. We did start weaning him early. I started to wean him at around 4 months, 2 weeks. I just made sure that we were kind of settled into our house before we threw some food at him, as I mentioned later on. But he seems to be really enjoying it, and I just wanted to take you along with me and just to document it really and show you what he's been eating, what his first expressions were. He seems to absolutely love everything. He has pulled some really funny faces, but he can't get enough of the food, and he was 100% ready to start weaning. So I'm just going to do this as a 4 to 5 month weaning vlog. So I'll just continue to film up until he's 6 months, and then from 6 months till 8 months maybe I'll do a different vlog just so you can see all the new foods that I'm actually incorporating, mixing together, and yeah, and hopefully as he gets a bit older then I could be a bit more imaginative. So yeah, I'm just gonna compile a load of videos from the first time that he's kind of trying these foods, and then also I will insert some footage of me actually making the purees, because I haven't really bought anything store made yet. I only had one incident and then I freaked out because it had 6 months on the packet instead of 4 months, and I just freaked out and took it off him. So I've just decided to make my own and do it that way. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the vlog. Oh yeah, should we have some more? Do you like that one? Yum, 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 yum. Is that tasty? So at the moment I've got some of the Aptamil creamed banana porridge, and as you can see, Didier is absolutely loving this. This is his second time he's having this. At the moment, he is loving his journey into solid food. He's loving this. The other day he got so upset when he finished this and we gave him the bottle. He was having none of it. He was screaming away because obviously he wanted more food. And as soon as we made him a little bit more of the food, he was happy again. So I think we're doing okay with this whole weaning process. I can't get over how much he's loved it. We did give him some baby rice from Aptamil to start with, and so he's finished a box of that. And I think he does like to have the water in between. I feel like that really helps. I mean, I'm the same. Sometimes oh, okay then. Clever boy. Yeah. So he is just over 4 months now. So we did have started a bit early, only because he, as you can tell, he really liked watching us eat our food. Are you thirsty? Do you want a little bit more? So we've got him the high chair and everything, and yeah, so far it's going really well. So this banana, I've just mashed a little bit of a banana. Hopefully he's gonna like that. I've not tried him with the banana yet. Yum, yum, yum. So I've only ever really tried him on this porridge and the baby rice. Yum, yum, yum. Should we try this one? Should we go boing, 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 boing? Oh, no. You were enjoying that one yesterday. But yeah, I've not tried him with actually any fruit or veg yet, so that banana's going to be fun experience. But at the moment, we've had no trouble with the banana porridge and the baby rice. Have we? Yum, 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 yum. I really want to find something that, I don't know what to do. I really like giving him the spoon, but I'm just worried because they're so narrow that, I don't really want him putting it down his throat. Oh, okay. See, I think we're not having a problem. He gets upset when he's not eating it. He is pretty good, he'll just bash it at his face a bit, but I'm just a bit worried in case he does shove it down his throat. There we go. Do you want to hold it? So yeah, I really want to get him a spoon that he can hold so he can really do it himself, if you know what I mean. Is that tasty? Is that tasty? Should we have a bit of banana now? Should we try the banana? Fingers crossed. Should we have a little bit? Oh, what was that? High chair away. Oh, is it a hit? Do you like it? Oh my goodness. Is that tasty? Oh yeah, I think that is a hit. I think you're enjoying that one, aren't you? So I kind of know the rules about weaning. You know, if you give them a new food, you're not supposed to give them something else. Like you're basically supposed to continue using that food for like up to 3 or more days, just to rule out any allergies. So of course, that if I'm going to use this banana, I'm not just going to use banana, then say cucumber, sweet potato. Just keep it consistent for a few days so that yeah, you can rule out any allergies. It's coming. But yeah, he's not. I've not vlogged him eating all the baby rice and things like that. But just a few clips, so I'll insert those. So this is probably his 5th day of weaning, I'd say. So I will label this as like maybe day 5 or like just week 1 of weaning. But yeah, so far we're enjoying it, and except for when he gets a bit tense, because I feel like he just gets a bit like frustrated because it's not coming quick enough. Oh, yum, 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 yum. This is going down a treat. But yeah, and so he's still got his bottle. We haven't dropped any feeds just yet, because obviously we're only a couple of days in. But I need to research that as well and see when I need to actually drop a feed as well. But yeah, I think it's going well. I'll see you in the next vlog when he trying something different. Is that tasty? No, careful. Oh, watch out. There you go. Diddy cat. Today we are trying avocado. Oh wait, is that nice? Do you like that? So, ooh, it's a new one, isn't it? So I've just mashed it up and then used the hand blender to blitz it up a bit. I mashed it up first, yeah. But I just feel like I just want to be a bit on the safe side and use the hand blender as well. Just to make sure that there's no bumps in it, and I think he seems to be enjoying that. So I am giving them a spoon. You hold it. And just watching him with it, because I just keep my hand nearby, because he does have a habit of just pushing it all the way back, and of course he pushes it further in, and of course he hasn't got the reflexes to put it out just yet. The other thing he's getting, starting to get really frustrated. He has now finished his avocado, and I'm just giving him some mashed or blended sweet potato and carrot, a small carrot and sweet potato. At first he pulls such a face, it's so funny, but I think you like it now, don't you? Look, you're covered in it. Oh! Oh, you just took it in your hand. Ew. Right, are we gonna have some green beans? I do not know if you're even gonna like this. Let me just make sure it's not too hot. Are you gonna like it? Is that tasty? Is that nice? Should we try some more? Oh, you like it? Okay, okay. Oh, you're not sure, are you? So funny. I've also got some pear for pudding. He's not tried pear yet either. I've literally just boiled some pear and blitzed it with a hand blender and put it in the little jars. And also the same with this as well, but this was frozen, so I defrosted this morning in the fridge, and now it's all good to go. And I've just put it back in the pan and heated it up that way. But yeah, I think he's enjoying it. Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Put your handy away. Num 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 num. Do you like the peas? Are they tasty? Dum dum. Num 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 num. Put that handy down. Oh. No, move your hands. Look, you're covered. You're covered in the peas. So here we are. 6 months old. 3 days ago, I think it was. No, 2 days ago. 6 months old. Today we've got some sweet potato and carrot. And we're going to experiment with a little bit of cheese. It's just grated cheddar. And then, oh, I'm sorry. Can you see your pudding? Your dinner? And then we've just got a little bit of peach puree as well. Should we get feeding? Oh, okay then. Ooh, what's that? What's that? Is that tasty? Shall we have some more? One at a time. Yeah. Is that nice? Look, it's falling out. Yum yum. Is it? Let's try another look. So Didier is now 6 months, and today we are trying broccoli. I completely forgot to record it, but as you can see, he's not having a problem with it. Can I have this bowl and spoon back, please? So we're nearly finished, but he absolutely loves it. In case you couldn't tell by the state of him. Today we are starting with broccoli. Like some broccoli florets. Can't quite grasp it yet. Oh, and when he does, he's not quite putting it in his mouth. That's just what I'm feeding. I just like to squish it a bit. So nice. So nice. Oh. Need some more? Oh. Today we are starting Didier off on some Weetabix. I don't really think he's a fan. It's just boiled water, obviously cooled down. But I really don't, mixed in with the Weetabix, but I really don't think he's too fussed on it. But he'll make some faces with some of the food, especially like carrots and things like that I've given him. But he won't not eat it. Are you enjoying that?